Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Syed Ali. So we were dealing with the questions on application of percent, and we will be continuing this topic. What are the more application for percent? And here is one more application, which is finding sale tax. Finding sale tax. So if provincial sale tax PST, provincial sales tax PST is 8% and goods and services tax GST, goods and services tax 5%. So students have to remember these two types of the taxes. Provincial sales tax PST, goods and services tax GST. So GST is 8%, and question is saying that a printer cost $112. How much does it cost including GST and PST? So we have to calculate the taxes and then add those taxes into the cost to get the total cost including taxes. So it's simple percentage problem, because we learned that how to get the percentage of that number. So the cost is 112, and we need to find out PST, and we have in our data that PST is 8%. So we have to find out 112 times 8%, right? These are the dollars, so the result will be also in the dollars. So 8% means we know that 112 times 8 divided by 100, right? So these are the dollars again. So you can keep it this sign if you want. So if you simplify this, you will be getting $8.96. So this is your PST. Now you have to find out GST. And what is GST percent given? 5%. GST is 5%. So you have to see in each question what if they have changed your PST percent and GST percent. So you have to be careful. It's not always 8% or 5%, but it depends what the question says. They only want you to calculate those percentages which they have given. So $112 times 5%, and 5% means 5 divided by 100. And when you simplify, of course, these are all dollars. So you will be getting $5.60. So this is your GST. If he asks separately what is GST and what is PST and what is total cost, then you have to also put these two things in answers. But here he is only asking what is the total cost including GST and PST. So you total cost will be equals to, you need to add them up. Total cost is equals to printing cost plus, so printing cost is $112, PST cost is $8.96, and GST cost is $5.60, right? And when you add them all up, you will be getting $126.56. So this is your total cost including taxes. So a student must pay attention to what percentage of the provincial tax and goods and services tax is given. So provincial sale tax is called PST and the goods and services tax is called GST. So we calculate the total printing cost, right, by adding both the taxes to the original cost. Now another question here, find the taxes and the total cost. So here he's saying find the taxes and total cost of each item. So we have to calculate. So here are three items. One is remote car, right? So I can do it in three steps. So remote car A, right? A is the remote car, which costing us $98.70, right? This is the cost, right? Dollars. And what we need to calculate, GST and PST, and the values are same, which is given in the question. So PST is 8%, right? So we will calculate 8% of $98.70, right? So we will say $98.70 times 8%. 8% means 8 over 100. And when you calculate this, you will be getting $7.90, right? So these are the dollars. Of course, the answer is also $7.90. Is 8% of the value. Then we have GST. So GST is 5%, right? So GST is 5%. 5% of what? The value of the remote car, which is 98.7, right? $98.70 times 5%. When you calculate 5%, you will be getting 4.94. And what we need more? We need the taxes. So we calculate taxes, PST and GST. We have those. And now we have to find out total cost. So for total cost, we have to add total cost is equals to $98.70 plus $7.90 plus $4.94, right? And when you add them all up, you will be having $111.54. So you can keep the sign of the dollar. This is your total cost answer, right? Now we go ahead for second part, right? Swing. Swing is costing us $110.54. So this is our B part now. And the cost of the swing is $110.54. What we have to calculate? PST. PST is the Provincial Sales Tax, which is equals to 8% is given, right? So we have to calculate $110.54 times 8% means 8 divided by 100, which gives you the values in dollars again, and that comes out as $8.84, right? Then we have to calculate GST. And how much GST is given in this question? 5%. So 5% of what? The value, the price of the swing, which is $110.54 times 5% means 5 divided by 100. Always remember, percent means 5% means 5 divided by 100, right? So when we calculate this, it comes out as $5.53. And now what is remaining? Total cost. What total cost is? Total cost is sum of the all costs. So original cost is $110. So let me make it clear. It's a dollar sign, right? Dollars. $110.54 plus 8.84, all are dollars. So I put $1 in front. So 5.53. You can put dollar sign for each, or you can put all together like dollars like this. So yeah, so dollars, it comes out as $124.91, right? So this is my answer for the total cost, right? The cost include the price plus the taxes. And now we have the C part, which is a toy, and this toy is costing us, toy cost is $59.52, right? But we need to calculate two things. One is PST, and PST is given. PST is 8%, Provincial Sales Tax. So 8% of what? 8% of the cost, toy cost, 59.52 times 8% means 8 divided by 100. Put it into the calculator and you will be having PST, right? So what you have here is 5.94 maybe. So okay, check it with the calculator. I am missing my calculator here on the desk. So 8%, and then GST is 5%, and 5% means 59.52 times 5%. 5 divided by 100, which comes out to be, so this is GST, right? So you get one value here and one value here. And when you add all these three values, like the cost and the GST and PST, GST turns out as like 5.9, around it, right? So you can check with the calculator. I'm looking at my calculator, but it's not here. So then you add them all three prices and you will get your answer. So your answer will be around $67.24, which I can guess, but you can do it with the help of the calculator, right? So this is how we calculate. So this is another application for percentage. So if we know the GST percent and PST, we have to include it into the price to find out the total price of the commodity. The commodity price plus GST and PST. Like these are the sales tax. So the topic is finding sales tax. Hope you understand. It's simple because we learn all about how to calculate the percent of a number. So subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button, thumbs up, and then wait for the other video. Thanks for watching.